to slow me down, cause I feel alive now. You ever ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to... I want a bad chick, she got a body, a real bad bitch, she knows how I like to party. On a mattress with the handle of Bacardi, and the fact is, you know we're just getting started. I want a bad chick, not an Instagram model. I'ma go to campus, Alpha Phi is such a brothel, and the shit is madness, so I drink another bottle. I'ma drink this shit till the ladies look like models. Back up, back it up for me, girl. You're such a bragger, what's up? Come and work for me, girl. I got a fat cup filled up, come and give me a twerk, and we gon' stack up my luck till I finally hurt. I got this party unlocked, somebody pass me the rock. I'm about to pop the top off, someone hand me a shot. This girl has got a hot vibe like she been doing squats, and you know that I can't stop till I got her on top. Is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to fuck for free? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have... Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to... Ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to? You ever ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this sex so good I shouldn't have to? So good I shouldn't have to fuck for free. Yeah, is this sex so good I shouldn't have to... You know I came to fucking ball in the city, man. Grew up in OC where all pretty ladies land. I used to play baseball and a couple bands. We'd shoplift at the mall, alcohol get slammed. And I'll be damned if the plan wasn't to expand. Recently we in demand with the music, man. I got the right wristband on my right hand, about to make a couple grand.